Let us take a Bohr magnet. This is the Bohr magnet. The Bohr magnet is suspended or taken in a uniform magnetic field. Torque is experienced on it. Now, what is the equation for torque experienced on the Bohr magnet is in the magnetic field. Not only that, work also done by the Bohr magnet when suspended in the uniform magnetic field. The both we will discuss in this class. First we will discuss about the torque, that is important. For the problems, work done by the magnet taken in the uniform magnetic field, that is another topic. Okay, one by one we will discuss. I am clearly written on the board. Listen carefully. Now, this is the uniform magnetic field. It is in the upward direction. In this one you suspend the Bohr magnet. This is like this. Here south pole and here it is the north pole. Immediately torque experienced on it means two equal forces acts in opposite direction. One force is in this direction, another force is in this direction. Now the figure, from the figure what we can write, sin theta is equal to, this is the angle. Now what is the sin theta from the figure? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse, that is NA by SN. SN is H1, length of the magnet, that is 2L. So sin theta is equal to NA by 2L. NA is equal to L sin theta. Let us take equation 1. Now I am written in words. A Bohr magnet of length 2L. A Bohr magnet of length 2L is taken in the uniform magnetic field B as shown in the figure. Two equal forces. What are the forces? F is equal to MB. F is equal to MB. F is equal to MB. Acts in on opposite sides. As a result, torque acts on it. We know the mathematical expression for the torque. How we can write? Torque is equal to perpendicular distance into force. Perpendicular distance into force. Perpendicular distance of this force. For this force, this is a perpendicular distance. For this force also, it is a perpendicular distance. NA is the perpendicular distance of this force and this force. That's why perpendicular distance is NA. Force is F. What is NF from equation 1? 2L sin theta. What is the F? F is equal to MB. Right. F is equal to M into 2L into B into sin theta. Small m is pole strength. What is 2L? Length of the magnet. Pole strength and the length of the magnet is called magnetic moment. Capital M, B sin theta. But sin theta is there and it is a torque. Torque is a vector. That's why we can express that in vector form. What is a vector form? Tau bar is equal to M bar cross B bar. M bar cross B bar. Okay. This is about the torque. This is important for 4 marks. And next topic. In this one we get one equation that we can use while doing the problems. Now what is that one? Work done by the Bohr magnet in the magnetic field is. We know that work, how we can write work in the rotatory motion? Torque into angular displacement. Work is equal to torque into angular displacement. Okay, total work done. dW is equal to integral MB sin theta d theta. This is only problems purpose I am solving this equation. Okay. Now take MB outside, integral sin theta d theta, integral sin theta d theta is how much? Minus cos theta. Integral sin theta d theta is how much? Minus cos theta. What are the limits? Theta 1 and theta 2. This is the equation. If you remove the negative sign, the limits are interchange. Remove the negative sign, limits are interchange. Here theta 1 becomes theta 2, theta 2 becomes theta 1. Then substitute the limits. We will get the equation for work done by the Bohr magnet in the magnetic field. W is equal to minus mb cos theta, enough. If we can't extend that, W is equal to mb cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Okay. This is about the Bohr magnet suspended in the uniform magnetic field. When a Bohr magnet is suspended in the uniform magnetic field, torque as well as work also done by it. And not only that, we want to discuss now the time period of the Bohr magnet is in the magnetic field. Okay.